pop, first ride of the year. A little winded, but it feels good. Got the iPhone mounted, and I got a couple of bike apps that record your speed, time, and route through GPS. You can email it and all that, so cool. Just drive around the parking lot, get used to it. First drive of the year, so I always take it a little slow, but feels good. A little hill here.